Happy 8/6 day, everybody. I've got a little update on Project Creampuff. It starts and runs, woo! And I'm also officially relocated to Arizona. So that's why I'm a little sweaty. It's a little hot here, but we got some upgrades to the garage. So instead of having a 2-car garage, we now have the 240 up here, Creampuff here, and then still obviously some unpacking to do over there. So we just got done doing a road trip with a big Penske moving truck towing the 240. We had Project Creampuff behind the family SUV, and then I still have to go get my truck and Big Red, the drift car. They're all out in South Carolina, still in a safe storage place. So I need to go get those and bring them back. But for now, this is what we got. I just drove this giant Penske truck across the country, towing the S13. The engine's still not done. I need actually a little bit more machine work. So everything's just stuffed into the back of it. And because there's no engine in it, the exhaust didn't really have anything to hang on to. So the exhaust just about fell off the car while we were driving. I strapped it up so many times, but this is how this is how it ended up. It's kind of tied to the trailer so it wouldn't go anywhere. Unfortunately, I was not all done with Creampuff in time to drive it all the way out here, or let alone drive it to 8/6 day. But it does start and run. I'm super excited about it. Panic Made, boom. They offered some absolutely incredible support to get this car running and driving. So yeah, huge shout out to those guys. Let's check out me first starting the car here. It was raining. It was literally the day before we packed up to leave South Carolina, and I got the car started so we could pull out on the trailer. I am like this close to moving. I've got a house full of moving boxes, all this junk to get out of my house. And I decided it's finally time to start the car. We load this onto the trailer tomorrow. So, yeah, I got my laptop pulled up just because I had to do the throttle position sensor calibration and the map sensor calibration, all that stuff. But here we go. Let's see if it starts. Dude, fired right up, no problem, man. Yeah! Yeah, man, Panic Made is the best, dude! Base map fires up, 0 issues! Woo! So sick! So still have a few things left to do on Creampuff. This wiring mess here, this is for the radiator fans, I've got to do that. This is a temporary wire I ran for the fuel pump, so I got to do that. And then I need to sync the ITBS still, and I need to bleed the cooling system. Got to put a alternator belt on it, and then I should be okay to drive it. Well, at least take it to get tuned. I'm also in the middle of doing everything for the air conditioning, so we got the AC compressor on it down there. There's our fittings, boop boop, right there. So I've got to make some lines. I have all the other hard lines pretty much ran. I do need to take them off and flush them, but they're at least kind of sorted out and positioned where they need to be. Yeah, just a little update. Also, these ANNEX coilovers are freaking awesome. I'm still super excited about that, as well as the Just Engineering steering kit, angle kit, whatever you want to call it. Control arms, knuckles, tension rods, all that sweet stuff. And I've got that sweet JSP oil pan on here. Soon, very soon, I will be able to drive this car and then tune it and get the air conditioning done, and then we'll have a sweet cruiser. I'm like just so freaking close. But yeah, so happy 8/6 day, guys. I hope you all enjoyed August 6th, 8/6 day, and did all kinds of sweet 8/6 stuff. I unfortunately, this is the 8/6 stuff I've been doing. And the garage is a mess. So just moved in, and there's stuff everywhere still. But all right, thanks for watching. See you next time.